Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I am in the raw this morning. I am so excited. I just did my first weigh-in with WeightWatchers, and I've lost 4.7 pounds. Yay, Kimmy, okay? It wasn't easy. It wasn't very hard either. I'll be honest. If you watched any of my videos so far, I'm not the most structured person. If you haven't caught that video, go back and watch it. But I did, I made some choices that I wasn't very happy with. Quite frankly, we talked about the lemonade and, the hamburger restaurant and all that. But overall, when I made one choice that wasn't that great, I went back and made another choice that was good. So I didn't beat myself up too bad. I ate what I wanted. I even hung out with a few friends and stuff throughout the week. So I feel pretty good overall. My skin looks a little bit brighter than it did from, eating just bad stuff. My digestive problems, I was still cheating a little bit. So I still had a few of those going on. But overall, I am pumped. I am stoked. I lost 4.7 pounds. I worked the program and I just couldn't be more ecstatic. So this is only week number 1. I do want to increase my water next week. I want to also cook at home a little bit more next week. What other goals do I have? I want to eat at home. I want to, like I said, cook a little bit more naturally. I did try last night quinoa and brown rice. So I might be implementing that in my diet. It was actually pretty good. It was an Uncle Ben's package. However, I know the sodium content in that is probably not that great. I did get a chicken from somewhere. I won't say where. But I didn't like the chicken. It was a rotisserie chicken. I didn't like it. So, and thus, that being a fact, I didn't enjoy my dinner. And when I enjoy my meal, I'm more satisfied and I don't have to keep coming back trying to, find something in the kitchen later if I have a good meal. So I didn't have a great meal last night. So that was a little frustrating. So I ended up just kind of snacking a little bit, but it's cool. Things happen. So I also tried cauliflower mashed potatoes. Tried the Bird's Eye brand. It was actually okay. So there was a more expensive brand. I think it was the Green Giant brand, was over $5. So I said I might try that brand because it might taste a little bit better. So we'll see if I try the more expensive brand, if I actually like it. But overall, I had a great first week. I did about 4 meetings for WeightWatchers this week. I'm not doing 4 every week. I cannot maintain that schedule, but I did do like 4 this week. And the main reason I did 4 is I love hearing people's experience. I mean, it was people in there talking about everything. Some of their health issues that they went through. They lost family members that, caused them to have some difficulties. And it was just things I could relate to. And I just love the camaraderie. I shared very openly on every meeting I was in. So it's different coaches and you can go anytime you want. So again, I'm not a representative, but it's just the method that I'm using, and we'll just keep seeing what happens. So this is week number 1. I will bring you my weekly weigh-ins, good, bad, or ugly. But today we are celebrating 4.7 pounds, almost 5. And I can actually see it right there. I can actually see it. Well, okay, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Where are you in your health journey? I know it may not be easy. Are you just starting? Are you wrapping it up? Are you you don't know where to begin? You're in the middle of it. Where are you in your health journey? I'm just curious. And don't beat yourself up. If you did not have a good week, if you did not lose anything this week, it's okay. It's okay, because the sun's going to come out again tomorrow. So we can do it all over again. Matter of fact, not even wait for tomorrow. Maybe you can change your next meal. If you jacked up breakfast, let's do better for lunch. If you jacked up lunch, let's do better for dinner. You see the point? So we're not giving up over here. And I will bring you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So this week, again, we are celebrating 4.7. Boom. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you, again, will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.